Alright guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to be showing y'all custom cars in city car driving. So we're gonna go to Steam. I already tried earlier but it wouldn't work. So we're gonna go to city car driving. You're gonna scroll down until you see Steam Workshop. Press visit this workshop. Scroll down, choose any car. I guess I'll just choose the Audi R6 or RS6. Press subscribe. Wait for it to download right here. And then when you go to city car driving, free driving, transport, and it's gonna pop up right here. Make sure you have it on custom and not standard. You're gonna go back, you're gonna press start. It's gonna take a bit to load if your PC is a little slow like mine. And there you have it. Once you load in, you're gonna see the car. Very detailed. That's all that you need to know. I'll see you in the next one.